Give it up for Joey Bones one more time.
Yeah!
Another verse embraced by maniacal passion, laced with the style of a psycho assassin. Instrumental crashes into mental spasms to invent some rap and not meant to fathom. You infatuated with the way the flow's emancipating through miracle demonstration of lyrical education. The time is fading, no time for patience, cause Satan's pacing in the place of anguish. And on my arrival, he's been long awaiting, so I won't waste my survival but stand and face it. When my head gets down, give myself a facelift. And when life gives me a test, I'll say hell and ace it. I don't plan to be a man to be engulfed by insanity, manipulate my mania so it doesn't handle me. Too much shit to say, too many fish to fillet, and the ocean's full, so get the fuck out my way. Cause I'm a fucking Red Bull who's hitting red flags, and it gives me wings while opposition jet lags. I'll give a whack MC the epitome of misery. If they try and mimic me, you know it's no mystery. I'm physically fit to be the one to make him history, cause I'm King Kong while the enemy is mini me. You don't have to feel me, cause I already feel myself in the church or cemetery, man. I already feel myself, whether at work or at fucking Quick Trip, man. I already feel myself. I just stepped up to the mic and rip shit, man. I already feel myself. Yeah, my demons try to show the evil side in me, but I sustain it cause there's just too much fight in me. Cops are a better top taboo in society, so I'm an outsider due to notoriety. I'm a brain, I must maintain sobriety. I can't lose my mind to fucking night quilling weed. Now throw out the cops or if you're feeling me. A healthy brain and healthy liver, they appeal to me. No, it's okay, you can always drink one more bottle. You got too much angst and anxiety to throttle. You can get so high, you can feel so fly. You can be a fucking flying robot in the sky. But the reality is that you're just going crazy. Your judgment is shitty and your wits are going hazy. So go ahead, drink syrup like rappers in Houston, and eventually end up in a mental institution. Take my word for it, cause I'm one who's abused it. Pay close attention to the words in my music. One more bottle of Tussin might make me lose it. Have me Googling how to tie up nooses.
Woo! Yeah!
In the church or cemetery, man, I already feel myself. Whether at work or at fucking Quick Trip, man, I already feel myself. I just step up to the mic and rip shit, man, I already feel myself. Yeah. Look into the depths of my cerebral cortex, and you'll soon find out it's like a lethal vortex. No other rhyming window will leave you more hex, shuffling up your brain like blackjack with 4 decks. I can do this all night with neither sleep nor rest. Can't coops on the loose, better run for rest. Terrorizing the village, rise of the ill shit, cries in the eyes of the victims of the pillage. A force inside that just drives me to kill it. Demise of the mannequin, you're fucking with the real shit. Dementors, kids, fucking sucking on your spirit. This rap's the shit, you motherfuckers love to hear this. Egotistical maniac, he's a mystical brainiac. Spitting missiles with the rhythm of my venomous rap. I'm apt to snap you in half without bending your back. With murderous fucking chords, no defense against that. I'm taking you on this journey with a treacherous map, and if it leads to my mind, that's where the treasure is at. Mad riches upon my neurological tracks. I got a beautiful mind, that's a beautiful fact. Thank you for listening. Thank you.